Isla loves the holidays. Oh, hi. My name is B, like the letter B. This is Mr. Butterfly. And this is Mayta, the Brown Bear. After we are done reading our book, we are going to find out how many days are left until Christmas. We just finished our book about Isla and all the different winter holidays. Do you know what color this book is? It's red. Mayta is really excited for Christmas this year. Mayta, did you know that people all over the world celebrate different winter holidays? Let's list off some of the holidays that you may celebrate. First, let's start with Christmas. Christmas is a Christian holiday. Many non-Christians also celebrate this holiday as well. People decorate their homes with lights and decorations and Christmas trees. On December 25th, Christmas is celebrated with giving each other gifts, singing songs, having a big feast, and spending time with your friends and family. Hanukkah is a Jewish holiday that is celebrated for 8 days and nights. People celebrate Hanukkah by lighting their menorahs, spinning their dreidels, spending time with their family and friends, and eating delicious foods. Kwanzaa is a 7-day holiday that celebrates African culture and ends with a big feast. Kwanzaa is celebrated by lighting candles, singing and performing music, and talking about African history. Las Posadas is a 9-day festival mostly celebrated in Mexico, Central America, and parts of the United States. Every day of the festival is celebrated with gifts, piñatas, plays, parties, and great food. Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, is a 5-day-long Hindu holiday celebrating the joy of life. It is one of the most popular festivals in India. The holiday is filled with fireworks, really good food, and time spent with family and friends. The Chinese New Year marks the end of the winter and the beginning of spring. People get together and celebrate the new year with dragon and lion dances, good food, gifts, fireworks, and lantern festivals. All of those holidays are different, but they are also the same in some ways. The same thing about each one of those holidays is that you get to spend time with your friends and family. The other same thing is they are all so much fun. With all of these fun holidays, it can be hard to tell when they are going to happen. Mayta has been getting pretty frustrated. Every morning he wakes up and asks, "Is it Christmas?" And I say no. And then the next morning, "Is it Christmas?" And I say no. And then the next morning, "Is it Christmas?" And I say no. Isn't that right, Mayta? It can be really frustrating when you don't know when these really fun and exciting things are about to happen. I have an idea. Mayta, would you like to make a paper chain craft that lets us know how many days are left until Christmas? Yes? Do you hear that? No? Well, listen harder. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. Look, Mayta. All right, let's put the box right here. Thank you, Idea Train. Okay, Mayta, let's look and see what's inside the box. Okay, first we have red strips of construction paper, and we have green strips of construction paper, and we have some tape. You see that, Mayta? Yeah. All right, before we begin our project, we need to find out how many days we have until Christmas. You should ask an adult or look on a calendar to find out how many days until your holiday. Mayta, we have 25 days until Christmas. Okay, so let's begin making our craft. First, we're going to take our tape, and because we have 25 days left, we need 25 pieces of tape. All right, so cut them off and stick them to the side of a chair or a table like this. See that, Mayta? Okay, now we have all the pieces of tape that we will need. So we can put our tape away. All right, now we are going to make 25 rings. One ring for every day we have left until Christmas. Okay, so let's make the first ring. Take a piece of construction paper and make a loop. Whoop. Make sure your ends overlap. Now, take a piece of tape and put the tape where the ends overlap. See that? And we have our first ring. Okay, so we put that ring right there. Now, take another piece of construction paper, but before you make your loop, slide it through the ring. Like that. Oh, now make your loop, make the ends overlap, grab a piece of tape, stick it right where the ends overlap, and now you have 2 rings. Okay, now let's make our third ring. Take another piece of construction paper, slide it through the ring, make your loop, your ends overlap, take a piece of tape, put it where the ends overlap, and we have 3 rings. Mayta, is this starting to look like a paper chain? Yes? Okay, so now we will finish our paper chain by making the rest of the 25 rings. All right, Mayta, here we go. Paper chain. Whoa! So now we have 25 rings on our chain, and each one of these rings represents one day before Christmas. So what you want to do is take your paper chain and hang it somewhere that you can see and you can reach. Mayta, let's hang our paper chain right over here. All right. Right there. Look at that. Perfect. So this is what we're going to do. Every day when you wake up, you're going to go to your paper chain and rip off one ring at the end of the chain. Okay, so let's pretend it's morning. Oh, we get up, we walk over to our paper chain, and we rip off the very last ring on the end of our chain, like this. One day is done. Okay, let's do it again. Let's pretend it's morning. Oh. We wake up, we walk over to our paper chain, and we rip off one ring at the end of our chain, like this. Oh, okay. Isn't this fun, Mayta? You rip off only one ring each day and then count the remaining rings to find out how many days you have left until your holiday. Okay, so let's pretend again. It's morning. Oh. Whoa, Mayta! That was a lot of work! Wow! Are you ready to see how many days we have left until Christmas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days left until Christmas! Okay, so let's keep pretending. Whoa! Mayta, how many days do we have left until Christmas? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more days, Mayta. Okay, let's keep pretending. Mayta, we have 1 day left until Christmas. Okay, let's pretend we are waking up on Christmas Day, and we walk over to our chain and we rip the last ring. It's Christmas Day! Yay! Do you know what time it is? It's time to dance. This is where we stop what we're doing, stand up, and dance. You can do whatever dance move you feel like doing. Do you hear that? It's the idea train. And look, it's Pinky the Boombox. Hi, Pinky the Boombox. Okay. Thank you, idea train. Pinky plays our music. We will put Pinky right here. Then we will take this red cassette tape and put it in here. And we'll close it up. And we will push the button with the triangle on it, the play button. Are you ready to dance? Yes? Okay, I'm going to push the play button now. Whoa! That was a lot of fun. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing. Before we go, let's say 5 good things about ourselves. I'll go first, and then you repeat after me. Okay, number 1, I am helpful. Number 2, I am smart. Number 3, I am strong. Number 4, I am brave. And number 5, I am kind. That was really great, Mayta. Good job. If you want to watch more Mayta videos, search Mayta's name. Do you know how to spell Mayta's name? Let's do it together. M-A-Y-T-A. Then type The Brown Bear. We hope that you have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you for spending your time with Mayta and myself. And until next time, bye!